Comparison of Tecno Phantom X, Phantom X2 and Phantom X2 Pro. Now we will talk about display type, display size, refresh rate, resolution, screen to body ratio, display PPI density, screen protection, now we will talk about build quality, height, width, thickness, weight, water resistant, camera specifications. Rear camera Tecno Phantom X. Rear camera Tecno Phantom X2. Rear camera Tecno Phantom X2 Pro. Front camera. Performance. Chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, storage, RAM memory, internal memory, battery, capacity, fast charging, sensors, connectivity, network, NFC, port type, headphone jack, price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.